So our customer has brought in his Toyota Tundra, and look, it's very, very dirty. Man, a lot of times people don't really realize how dirty something is. And again, they set the expectation of it's not that bad, but now that you see it, like the wheels don't look like they've ever been washed in the last 2 to 3 years probably. The paint is the same. If you look around the letters and the emblems and the door handles and the window sills, like we're gonna have to wash all of those edges because there's brown and just kind of trapped in there. So to get this thing where it needs to be, now he only wants a luxurious wash. He's not looking for a detail or a wax or anything. We're gonna give him a luxurious wash, and we're gonna go through the proper steps of getting this thing very, very clean for the customer. On this type of wheel, you need to be real careful that you're not using a very, very high acidic product, because you can actually scorch or burn the front of the wheels, right? So what we are gonna use is, we're gonna use Gliptone's Iron Eater product. We're gonna spray that on there. That's actually a pH neutral product. It's gonna dissolve the brake dust. It's gonna clean it, but it's also not going to bother or scar up the front facing of your wheels. Now you can see it's actually pushing it to the surface to get it away from the wheel. It's already turning purple and it's already doing its job. You can see how it's already working down on the product. While we still let the wheel work, I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing my tire to give it time to work. So now I'm gonna get my lug nut brush. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna clean my edges of all my lugs and all of the holes good. This has been on here a long time. Like, she has not had a bath in a while. Okay. You see how it's baked all in there? I'm gonna have to maybe get something a little heavier than that. Get that out, that is baked in there. So we're going actually on up to some wheel acid. So we're gonna spray some wheel acid. We're only gonna spray one. We're gonna see how that does. There's no sense in wasting the product if it's not gonna work on the one. So we're gonna kind of lay that to it, see if it works, but I really don't think it's gonna work. I think it's actually baked in there. Like, it is really baked in. So that's about what you're gonna get in your wash process. Now you could actually take these off and polish them, and you could get them 100% clean, but again, he's wanting a luxury wash, so as you can see, we've done basically what we can for a luxury wash, and what's baked on is baked on. So we're gonna be moving on to the next part of the process on this luxurious wash, and we have the wheels and tires and fender wells done. Now we're gonna move on to our rash areas, which is the front end with bugs, the backs of the mirrors and the bottom, and the door jambs. So we're gonna be moving on to that right now. We've actually moved the truck over to the wash bay area to finish it up. We got to wash out the bed pretty heavily and wash the top and this side, so we figured we'd pull it over to where the drain is and finish it up. pH, break all the dirt and the grease free.